Module 1 Conclusion and Project. Great job! We've covered the essential groundwork. You now know what a financial model is, the key functions that power it, how to make it look professional, and what common mistakes to watch out for. Simplifying the data for this course. To ensure this course is easy to follow for everyone, including novices, we will start with a simplified base data summary for a single product. This will be our foundation. As we progress through the modules, we will build upon this by pulling in the more detailed data from the Greenleaf Bakery files you downloaded. Here is the simplified base data for Greenleaf Bakery that we will use as our starting point, derived from the original file. We will use the classic sourdough loaf as our primary example product. Now, let's put it all together and build the skeleton of our financial model. Module 1 Project. Setting up your financial model workbook. This is the file we will build upon in every module to come. Getting the foundation right is the most important step. 1. Create your file. Open a new, blank Excel workbook. Save it as greenleaf_bakery_financial_model.xlsx. 2. Create worksheets. We need to organize our model. Create and name 4 separate tabs at the bottom: Inputs, Unit Cost, Profit and Loss, and Cash Flow. 3. Populate the Inputs sheet. Go to your Inputs worksheet. Recreate the Greenleaf Bakery base data simplified table that we just outlined. Number formatting. Use the accounting or currency format with the Naira symbol for all monetary values. 4. Apply professional formatting. Apply all the professional formatting rules we learned in this module to your table. Color code. Use blue font for all input numbers, prices, costs, exchange rate. Labels. Make your headings bold and use a light gray or green fill to make them stand out. Borders. Use borders to cleanly separate the different sections, variable costs, fixed costs, and the totals. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have a clean, professional, and scalable foundation. You're now ready for Module 2, where we'll begin to organize our financial data in greater detail. See you there.